Welcome back to Dawson Design Production Company. Today we are talking about some Apple news that is important to me. Later on we'll be talking about the latest Apple event and my thoughts on it. But first I'd like to talk about how Today at Apple is back. For the past few years, Today at Apple has been Today at Apple at home. But now it's back in the Apple Store. In case you don't know, Today at Apple is you can go with your device or whatever, take your Mac, your phone, and they will teach you how to use it, how to use certain features on it. The one that I went to today was about capturing cinematic shots on an iPhone 13. And now you might be thinking, well, I have an iPhone 11 and I want to go and I might want to do this. Do they have anything for me? Well, they have phones there that they will lend to you if you want to show up and do this session, learn about how to take these shots. They will lend you new phones if you have an older phone. So you can use your own phone, or you can borrow one of theirs. I used my own phone because I do have the latest and greatest iPhone 13 Pro Max. So I used my own phone and I shot just, cinematic shots, just panning and zooming, and got good depth of field, got some interesting shots that actually turned out better than I expected for an iPhone. Most of them, I couldn't even tell that it was not taken on a big fancy camera. Here is the video that I did, some of the shots that I got. I've kind of put them together. This is the guy that was teaching me. We wanted a high angle shot of him kind of going up the stairs. So he was a subject for me to be able to shoot. I got some interesting shots of just the area around the mall where the Apple Store is. I got to try a gimbal that they have in store. They handed it to me. I put my phone in it and it was all working, and I was able to get some really smooth shots with the gimbal. So that was really fun. And just learning how to use my phone. I've had this phone for a while, but there are a few of these things that I just didn't realize you could do. In iMovie, you can edit a cinematic shot, change what's in focus. You can't do that in LumaFusion. So that was interesting to learn. Today at Apple is for art or productivity or anything in between. So I can go in and do a drawing lab, and they'll teach you kind of how to draw something on the iPad, and they'll give you an iPad for you to use. Or if you have your own, you can use your own. Productivity, if you want to know how to organize my photos or whatever, that you can go in and they'll teach you the basics on using a Mac. All you got to do is go to the Apple website, search Today at Apple, or go to the Apple Store app on your phone and go to Sessions, and you can sign up. And so I signed up for this one and I went and I enjoyed the heck out of it. Towards the end of my video, I got to record some of the new products because just yesterday the store got the new Apple products. I got to shoot the Mac Studio and Mac Studio Display iPhones, the green ones. I didn't get any shots of the SE, but nothing really changed with that one. I got the new Airs. I looked at the SEs and I was like, yeah, I really can't tell a difference. I know that each one is darker, but I can't tell. They look great. They look like normal iPhones. The SEs, nothing really changed. It was just a spec bump. You got 5G, you got maybe some camera things that you'll probably never notice, and a new chip that you'll probably never notice. Everything that was added to the iPhone SE, you will probably never notice, except maybe the battery life, which only works if you don't use 5G. So the new iPad Air got some new colors that I really hate. New video on that coming soon. And they got spec bumps. They got the new camera that is able to follow where you are in the shot and in a video call. It got the new chip, and I think they also got 5G, but not millimeter wave. Just a spec bump for the iPhone SE and the iPad Air. The Mac Studio is a beautiful machine. It's just a Mac Mini, just kind of whoop. You take a Mac Mini and you just whoop, stretch it out. It's a beautiful little thing. I love that it has ports on the front I'm sorry, Johnny. It's convenient. Breaking news this week, iFixit has figured out how to remove a rubber ring, like the rubber foot, and unscrew and pull the bottom off so that you can get inside and upgrade it. So that's exciting-ish. Marquez was talking about how you can't upgrade it, or well, of course you can't upgrade it, but you can't even get in and clean the fans. The studio display, I was excited about that. I was so excited when I saw it. I was like, please tell me that's an iMac. Actually, no, tell me it's a monitor. Tell me it's both. Like, I was like, I so hope that that's an iMac, and I also so hope that it's a monitor, that I was going to be happy either way when they said that it was a monitor, or if they had said it's an iMac. I would love it to be an iMac because I want there to be a pro iMac. I guess pro desktop computers are desktop machine and monitor. So that's what you got if you're a pro. Monitor is beautiful. I wish that it had the same like pop-on thing as the Pro Display XDR. And so my idea would be, you can get that $1,000 stand, you can get a cheaper one for $400, and you can get like a $200 one that is just a regular iMac stand. You can stick that on there. That would be cool. No one else has ever said that, so Apple didn't think of that idea. That's about all I have for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Later.